Morning, ladies.
Morning.
The what?
On your shoulders.
Up, up, up. We got like an hour uphill push to lunch, and it's killing us all. No, we got like 30 minutes left, but it's been an hour. It's been an hour. Sophie's interrupting me here. I'm trying to talk. But it's not fun. We're all like just slowly creeping up the hill. Can't wait for lunch. It's gonna be so nice. Oh yes, we've made it. Oh yeah. Oh, time for lunch. A nice long break. Oh yeah. Straight to the shade.
Yeah.
Chicken pork. You? I'm small. It's a bone for the guy. Meat. Alright.
Our last supper. Guys, we're back in Luang Namtha after a wonderful hiking trip. It was amazing. Food was great, views was great, everything we learned was amazing. You have anything to say, Sophie?
Pretty much covered it. But yeah, I think really the coolest part was learning about all the different things you can eat in the jungle. Like we always say to each other, say there comes a day when I don't know, the world goes all pear-shaped and you have to go to the forest. Would we be able to survive? No, probably not. But at least we now have
a few things.
A slight chance in Laos.
We could eat a few things in Laos.
Yeah.
But anyway, so the best part is we get back and now I'm rushing to get to the office to try and collect my passport. It's Friday. They're already closed early, probably at the beer garden already. So I didn't get my passport. Then we come back to the hotel where we left our bags and our motorbikes. And what do you know? They didn't write another room down for us and the hotel's fully booked. Well, actually they had 2 rooms and Sophie was patiently waiting. We waited like 20 minutes for anybody to come to the front desk. And when the guy finally came to the front desk, 2 other customers walked in front of Sophie. And 2 other customers walked in front of her and took the last 2 rooms. So anyway, we just moved to another hotel, which is cheaper anyway, and it's about the same. Looks nice. Looks the same quality. And now we're gonna go back, grab the motorbikes, gonna go get them washed, do an oil change, lube the chains, and then get ready for tomorrow. So there we go. Busy, right back into the action. Just got done with a relaxing tour and we're hot back in it with the motorbikes. Don't come to this place, Tulisit Guest House. You can come here, it's nice, but don't book extra nights. They won't remember.